Hello everyone and welcome to a video where, yes, we're usually in my end of the night background, but welcome to Minna Snow Light during the day aka welcome to winter, where daylight is few, but I still have a plenty of videos that I want to film. So here we are, we're doing it here. I have got what I feel like is a fan favorite. I've got a Stitch Fix to unbox with y'all. I know I personally love doing these videos. I love seeing what my stylist has picked for me every month and a half here on my channel with y'all. I say month and a half because that's what I have my settings set to. For anyone who doesn't know, just real quick here, Stitch Fix, it is a personal styling online service. It's not a subscription. You do not have to subscribe to something every single month or every other month. You get to tell them how often you want to fix. You can change it. You can get one every 2 weeks. You could get one every month for a few months, and then you decide you want one in 2 weeks, and etc., etc. You get to change it. All of that. It is completely free to sign up. You get to take your little style quiz, and then you can get your fix, your first fix, if you would like. If you use my affiliate link down below, you will get money off of your first fix. I'm pretty sure it not only gets me kickback, but then it also gets you, like I said, I'm pretty sure it basically gets you your first fix for free. It takes away the styling fee. So if you decide not to keep anything, it will have been at zero cost to you. As I said, I do believe. So, yay! I didn't request anything specific, but it looks like we are going into Schwetter Wetter, my friend. I assume there's more than one of you watching me, but maybe that's a horrible assumption for me to have made. In any case, I see fall colors and colors that just look nice in general. Oh, we've got another, ooh, looks like we've got a hood on this one. Yeah, all of these look like they go very well with each other. Not that I would ever wear 3 or 4 sweaters at a time, but we also got a piece of jewelry. You do get your pre-stamped mailer bag, so that returns and exchanges are all free. Got prices and info there, and we did get a piece of jewelry this month, which looks like it is a pair of earrings that, I don't know, I think I could see these going with some of the pieces that came in the box. I don't know, I think these could be cute. I guess I just have to see them on me. They are just some beaded hoops, you know? They aren't actually hoops, they are studs, but they are in a hoopular shape. And they are beaded with lots of different colors, so they could go with a lot of different things. So, potential. We have got a very soft and thin feeling hoodie. It kind of is reminding me of the one that I have on now, just in the sense that it is very thin, so I shouldn't have to worry about getting too hot in this. But it is my favorite color, stripes. I know stripes are a pattern, by the way. Every time I say that, someone ends up commenting, "You know that stripes aren't a color, right?" Yes, I do. But anyways, yeah, nice casual hoodie. We've got the front pocket in the front. And it looks good for me. We've also got this mustardy, oh boy, okay, this we're gonna have to try. I do love this color. It is, I think it might be showing up a little more orange on camera than it is in real life, but I mean it is like kind of a burnt marigold, I would say. Goldenrod with a hint of orange to it. It is a turtleneck, or a turtley looking neck. So this might not work for me, but that's what I love about Stitch Fix. I love getting pushed out of my personal boundaries. Like if I saw this in store, I would never try it on purely because it's a turtleneck. But these earrings would probably look really cute with that. We also got this beautiful colored cardigan. Y'all know how I feel about a good cardigan. This is so soft, super long. Oh, I got excited. I thought it had pockets. Sometimes these kinds of necks can work for me, and sometimes they don't. So I will have to try this on. It's one of these like foldy over kind of necks. I don't know, for some reason on some pieces that can, I feel like, make me look bulkier on top, but sometimes it doesn't bother me at all. I love this color though. It's like a nice rusty pale sienna. Again, these earrings could look very cute with that. And then it looks like we got a pair of black skinny jeans, which I am always down for. This was the brand that I got sent that I really loved that one time, right? So these are cut from the cloth. These are the high-rise toothpick skinny jean. I am so glad they don't have that awful smell some black jean materials can have to them. It's faintly there, but I think it should go away pretty quick. So we'll see. Yay! Let's try stuff on! Alrighty, so first things first here. I think the cardigan is good, right? I don't think it's making me look any huskier on top than I already am. It is super soft. I love that the sleeves are really long, so if I want to wear them long, I can, but I could always roll these a little bit if I really felt like it, or if they were getting in the way. As I said, it is so soft, and this color is just phenomenal. And hopefully you can see it is super long. I mean, it comes, what, like halfway down my thighs? Granted, I am very short, 5'2" for reference, but I do like these kind of like rounded. I just feel like it adds to the roundness of the hips and the whatever else. It's really, really comfy, cozy. The jeans do fit me like pretty much perfectly, I'm pretty sure. I just don't know that I'm in love with the material. It kind of feels like a jegging and a jean mixed, but it's got a bit of a satin to it that I'm not super fond of. But I don't know, maybe it's not so bad. They are the perfect length on me, so I might just have to deal with it, and maybe I'll end up liking the material better with time. As I said, they fit me in all the right places, I think. And with this earring, how's that for a little outfit? Turtleneck, turtleneck. Oh my gosh, the sleeves have the thumb holes in it. It makes me want to love it. And I do love the color, I just don't know about this huge turtleneck. Right? I mean, I look stupid. Maybe not. I don't think that this does anything for me. Like I said, the color, yes, 1,000,000%. These hand holes, a bajillion %. And like, the fit is good. I mean, it fits me like a sweater. I just really don't know that this is my best look. I love this hoodie. This is so me. The material, the feel, it is super soft, but as I said, it's super lightweight. I love the colors. I love the stripes. I love the way that it fits on me, you know, shows off the shape. I love the side kind of slits there. And I just overall, I think it looks real cute. Obviously, would I ever use the front pocket? Who knows, but whatever. I feel like these earrings really could go with anything in this box. I see what you were doing, stylist of mine. Whew, all right, back to business. Let's see what my stylist had to say. We did get Emily again. Ba-bing. She says that she's thrilled to style me again. Glad I loved my last fix. Got even more amazing things for me for the colder days ahead in Minnesota. Started with the jeans that I loved from an earlier fix, and toss them on with sweaters, the earrings, and also, you know, they are showing the shop, or telling me about their shop that they have recently updated. Oh, now I am curious if that turtleneck, because they show it as like a pull down, not as a turtleneck. I feel like my shoulders are far too broad. Okay, yeah, I don't know. Maybe if you have like very dainty shoulders, I really don't want to break this sweater though, and then have to pay for it. So I'm gonna quit shrugging my shoulders together and just say that this is not right. This isn't for me. Let's see how much things cost, my friends. Earrings are 38 bucks, which I don't know that they're necessarily worth that. I would put them at like $28. Oh my god. Oh, I kind of had a feeling this one would hurt because of the brand. It's RD Style. It's $74. I really don't think I can put 74 bucks towards a cardigan right now as much as I really want to. I mean, even this sweatshirt that I love, $64. This is very expensive, and I feel like I would put this at like 55 bucks at a retail store. The mustard turtleneck thing is 78 bucks, and the jeans are 88 bucks. I mean, if I were to buy all 5 and get the 25% off discount, and also put my $20 styling fee towards things, it would come out to $236.50, making each item, what, like 45 bucks or something, but I don't think I can do it, my friends. I think to put my styling credit towards something, I think I'm just gonna keep this hoodie because I liked it the best, and I'll probably send the other things back, as much as that slightly pains me. I just feel that it would be the right thing to do. So you all can let me know if you agree with my decisions. I don't feel like my fixes are usually this pricey, so things were a little high on the price scale, Emily, in case you're watching this. It's a lot. I really rarely / never spend $80 on a top. That's just not in my price range, but I appreciate it. The thought was definitely there with these picks. As I said, you all should certainly let me know what you thought of things down in the comments below. Remember, if you're wanting to check out Stitch Fix for yourself, certainly I would be very appreciative if you used my affiliate link down below. As I said, it will not only earn me a little bit of a commission, but it will also not earn you, but it'll get you a lot of money off of your first fix. You can also just let me know if you enjoyed the video, whatever the case may be, by giving it a thumbs up down below. I would really appreciate it. And if you're new here, hey, hi, hello, how are you? You can go ahead and subscribe. You can tippity tap that notification bell down below and become a member of my casserole family here on my channel. I'd love to have you here. And as always, I just hope you guys are all doing well. And until next time, just stay well until then. Bye!